I am Chanel Matthews, and this is Unfiltered. With the rise of artificial intelligence, many people are questioning its impact. Do you think AI is helping us to be more creative or lazy?
I'll say both. Reason for that is sometimes if you want to know if you're doing something and you want to know how to do it, you can go to AI like ChatGPT and find out more information, and it makes you wiser. But on the other hand, watching these AI short series can waste your time and make you lazy. For me, example, I'll sit on it all day and watch the Nigerian short stories and waste out my day.
I believe that AI has both its pros and cons. It just depends on what you want from it. So if you're going it knowing that you want just additional information and you're not going in it for it to, whatever I tell you, you believe it off the bat, it depends on what you want it for. So I guess it's both. But for me, I use it in the medical field, but not 100% I don't rely on it. I have my own background knowledge and I just want to see how creative or what they can come up with in the short span of time for me to sum everything together.
More lazy car. AI make things more easier for you. You know, make you use your brain or them thing there. So you're gonna look it up on, you look up something on AI, and then by later you forget it. That's not it.
A mixture of the two. Sometimes the AI, we can put our ideas in and it can just generate a few things that we probably wasn't thinking about, but at the same time it can have its negative effect where it doesn't allow you to sit and become creative because now everything is at your fingertips. So I think it's a mix of the two, and I do believe that it will be a more of balancing the two versus one versus the other.
I think it generally depends on the person, because overall, like, you wouldn't say certain technology like the calculator made us more lazy, for example. The calculator allow you to, outsource the lower level calculations, and then you can think about the deeper, bigger picture things. So it can be the same thing for AI, whereas you can utilize AI to get the basics, and then when it comes to more creative, more advanced thinking, you can at least allocate more time to that when you save time with the basics using AI.
Most people, AI make them lazy, because them get it easier for done. When you find time to do things by yourself and figure out the puzzle, AI make you do it too quick.
Alright, I think it's helping us to be creative in much different ways, because it can help us improve on our studies, and it can help us to give us more ideas instead of us overall being at home not doing anything. AI give us more opportunities, more visionary. So to me, it helps us be more creative.